Different types of computers. These are some of the main types of computers, but there are many more specialized computers for various applications. There are several types of computers, including 1. Personal computers PCs. Desktop and laptop computers for personal use. 2. Workstations. High-performance computers designed for technical or scientific applications. 3. Servers. Computers designed to manage network resources and serve requests from other computers. 4. Tablets. Portable computing devices with touch screens and limited physical keyboards. 5. Smartphones. Handheld devices that combine the features of a computer with those of a cellular telephone. 6. Gaming computers. Specialized PCs designed for playing video games. 7. Supercomputers. The fastest and most powerful computers, used for complex simulations and modeling. 8. Mainframe computers. Large, centralized systems that can handle hundreds of thousands of transactions simultaneously. 9. Embedded computers. Small, single-purpose devices integrated into other products, such as cars and appliances.